Cast aluminum, it conducts heat extremely well.
You can go ahead, it's a nylon base, put it into your frying pan and stir and twist it around and it breaks up everything.
Blending keeps in all the fibers, which are hard to digest in your system. So if you juice and you want it helps you to digest all the juice quickly.
Put your hand under here and just feel the temperature. Now I'm just gonna put some ice water in. There's not a ton of ice, but you're still gonna notice the temperature change. Start counting, and when it gets cold, stop counting. Start counting.
Oh, like instantaneous.
It is.
We built the function of the pot holder into the aprons and promoting it as you'll never search for your pot holder again.
This is Ceramylin. Everyone should have this type of cookware. It's amazing. Easy cleanup, beautiful. It can go from the freezer to the oven to the table.
Just great like so, acid edged blades. So you can see within the window here how much cheese is within that. And then you can bring it to the table, it sits flat, and then this top pops up and you can basically shake it and pass it.
I like to think, for instance, about this product as you don't know what situation you might have to work with going into the next day, and simply put, you can put it on stovetop, you can put flame directly to the bottom of this, that's never an issue. We don't recommend campfires, but you can do a barbecue grill.
If you actually go to the vendor's page and click, say, on OXO, and then click on Buying Guide, you'll be able to see images with each item.
The balance of this, the weight of this, the rolled rims for the non-drip, all of the properties that go into this, induction capable, all the right properties are here in that in the cookware.
As they roast the bean, it caramelizes the sugars and all of the flavors inside. And the more you roast it, the darker it gets and the further away from the organic profile that it's been. So greener coffee or lighter roaster coffee is gonna taste more like its original state.
Now if you'll notice, it's not falling to the ground, right? So it's not getting all over you. That's because there's a cover that doubles as a measure.
You've got to do demos, whether it's our competition or us, whether it's a coffee maker, whatever. The more demos you do in store, the more it's going to drive business to buy that product.
If you're cooking big pieces of meat, you could use a probe style thermometer, you could use the meat thermometers, any style. This is a particularly nice one because it's so easy to read.
They can cool down lukewarm Coke, beer, white wine, red wine in a matter of minutes.